Yeah, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thinking of doing, I'm going to do a mukbang of Chinese wonton noodle soup. So, thanks for dropping by to my channel. These are one of the, I enjoy eating Chinese noodle soup. So, here I go. Wonton. It's good when they fill it up properly, the wontons. You can get some like so stingy inside it. Like there's not much in it. It's just mostly this pastry thing, but not the wonton wrap. But this one's pretty big. It has a very nice broth. That's why I go to this particular shop, because it's got a nice broth. You can get soup, but and quite a lot of nice stuff inside the bowl. But the broth, if the broth is not nice, then it doesn't make the soup all that yummy. There's certain places I go for my Chinese food. This one is one of them. See? Look how big that wonton is. It's massive. I have to take 2 bites or 3. Yeah, really is moving. You're going to be eating your soup and it's flying everywhere. Oh, yeah, it also has barbecue pork. This soup is so nice. I like the noodles because it's quite tough. I don't like those ones you use the fork, like to try and get it and it breaks up on you. This one's nice. I like it when it has a few, the green leaves, Chinese cabbage or the Chinese broccoli. They sure know how to make their stuff. Some barbecue pork. Yeah, very nice. I was coming in here to film and I heard my son playing Fortnite. Everyone likes Fortnite. If I knew how to play it, I'll play Fortnite as well. So good. So good. Oh, I got some extra barbecue pork. Just in case I needed it. And by the looks of my soup, yes, it does. These are a few. I used to live in New Zealand, and there's this place in Otahu that I love going to. You get rice, Chinese cabbage, like broccoli, Chinese broccoli, and rice and spring onion. It's in Otahu. It's so beautiful. Anyway, and the food in New Zealand is excellent. So good. So good. I mean, and it's very cheap too. Good on you, New Zealand. I love your food. I love New Zealand food. And the people are good as well. And the place, if you guys haven't been to New Zealand, go. If you've never been to New Zealand, oh man, I recommend that you should go. It's beautiful over there. I really love it. I was raised there from the age of 6. I was born in Samoa. Beautiful Samoa. I was born there and I left Samoa when I was about 6, my mum said. And then I got raised in New Zealand. I loved growing there, but we thought we'll come to Australia and find another kind of the life is really good here too. But I still miss New Zealand. Actually, I wasn't raised in Samoa really, because as a little child you don't remember Samoa. I don't remember Samoa. But I do remember New Zealand because I went to all the primary school, high school there, intermediate, and I love New Zealand. That's why I'm saying to you, go there and visit. I was thinking, I stopped my eating and I was trying to talk about how good New Zealand is. A bit biased, eh? Oh, the flavour on this barbecue pork is so nice. Really good. I love wonton noodle soup. It's one of my favourite kind of food, but there's one food that I really like is seafood kina. So I'll do a video one day of the kina. And I'm even thinking I'll do a video of the prawns, because I love prawns too. But then I love all the food. Well, I really don't eat like goat meat. That's one of the foods I don't like, even though, you know, my husband makes it, and he makes it into curry prawn. He says it's nice, but not for me, thank you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. That was a lovely soup. I enjoyed that. You know, food is food, and you know, if you find the right, you know, like right takeaway restaurant that, you know, you find food that you enjoy eating, yeah, go and get it, and always return back there if it's nice, because you're gonna go to another shop, it's probably not as nice. And this shop, you know, it sounds really, really nice. Wonton noodle soup. Well, thanks for hanging out with me while I enjoyed this wonton noodle soup. You know, I hope you give me a thumbs up and, you know, subscribe if you want to watch more. But I think my next video will be I think I'll have some mussels, New Zealand mussels, and some prawns. That'll be nice. Seafood, like, yeah. So give me a likes and subscribe, and then, you know, we'll hang out every time I have something to eat on YouTube. Thank you very much. You take care and be awesome, guys. Thanks. Bye.